Is my screen visible? Yes, please reply. Yes, students. Am I audible? Is screen visible? Yes. Okay. So, welcome back, students. Welcome to a series of lectures on control system 2. We have started with unit 2 of control system, that is solution of state equation. Unit 2, solution of state equation. Solution of state equation. Okay. We have started with the numerical. What was the numerical? A system is represented by, this was my numerical. What is my numerical? Yes, please write down. A system represented by, a system represented by the state equation, by the state equation. What is my state equation? Yes, they have given the state equation as x dot equals to x dot of t. X dot of t equals to x dot of t equals to, yes, ax of t. Ax of t. Okay. The response to x of t, the response to x of t. x of t के लिए इन्होंने रिस्पॉन्स दिया है x of t equals to, this is the matrix they have given, 2 e raised to minus 2 e raised to minus 2t and e raised to minus t, t. When x of 0 is, condition is given, when x of 0, that is initial condition, x of 0 is given, what they have given, 1 minus 2, okay. This is the condition. Again another condition they have given. What is the next condition? And x of t equals to, the matrix they have given, e raised to minus t, minus e raised to minus t. When, yes, another condition they have given, when x of 0, that is initial condition they have given, x of 0 is 1 minus 1. Here what you are having, 1 and then minus 1. So this is the condition they have given in the numerical. What we have to determine? Determine the system matrix A. What is the question? Determine the system matrix A, capital A, and the state transition matrix and the state transition matrix. You can also call it as capital STM. So STM. STM means state transition matrix. Yes? All of you, yes, please reply. Is it visible? Can you read it? And am I audible clearly? Have you understood the question? Yes, please reply. Yes. So this is my question. So in the next slide, we will start with the solution. Okay? Yes. So question is over. Now we will start with the solution. Yes, solution. Since the matrix is of second order system, you know that. Since the matrix is of second order, matrix A will be, yes, we are assuming the matrix. Then the matrix A would be so I am assuming it as 2 by 2 matrix, 2 by 2 matrix. Okay. Considering let A equals to, let capital A matrix, what it would be? I am assuming it as A1, here A2, here A3, and then A4. So I have to calculate the values of small A1, A2, A3, and then A4. So when we will be calculating the values, I will be getting state transition matrix, that is capital A matrix. Okay. Since the condition, now we have to go for the condition. Since here condition they have given, since the x of t what they have given, yes, go to the question. X of t they have given is as ax of t. X of t equals to ax of t. So as x of t is ax of t, I can calculate its previous state, that is x of 0. So what would be x of 0? Then x of 0. What would be x of 0? A into x of 0. Where there is t, I have to replace that t with 0. So a x of 0. Have you understood? This is my initial state. Also, next condition what they have given, for x of t, they have given for x of t. What matrix they have given for x of t? They have given the matrix. Which matrix they are having? Yes. 2 e raised to 2 e raised to minus 2t and e raised to minus t. E raised to minus t. This is the matrix they have given. So I can calculate its first derivative. Okay. This is initial state x of t. Can I calculate x dot of t from x of t? Yes, I have to take the derivation of this. So x dot of t, that is first derivation. So what is the derivation of 2 e raised to minus 2t? Yes. So minus 2, it will be coming forward, that is minus 4 e raised to minus 2t. Minus 4 e raised to minus 2t. Derivation of 2 e raised to minus 2t. And what is the derivation of e raised to minus t? Minus t e raised to minus t. Minus t e raised to minus t, that is coming as 1. So what it would be? E raised to minus t derivation minus e raised to minus t. Okay. This is the first derivation. Okay. X dot of t. What we have given, क्वेश्चन में दिया क्या था? X of t दिया था. अपने को क्या निकालना था? X dot of t. So taking the first derivative, I have calculated the value of x of t. Now I have to calculate x of 0. So as I am having x dot of t, so I can also calculate x dot of 0. So replace 0 where there is t. So x of 0, x dot of 0 actually. So I am having x dot of t, I can calculate x dot of 0. So put 0 where there is t. So 4 e raised to minus 2 into 0 means it would be coming as minus 4. So here it would be minus 4. Are you getting? And here it would be e raised to minus t means e raised to 0 means 1, and then sign would be minus 1. So yes, please tell me up to this, have you understood how I have calculated x dot of t and x of 0 from the given condition in the numerical? Yes, have you understood from where that x of t, x dot of t and x of 0 it is coming? Yes, please reply. Yes sir. Okay. Okay, मतलब समझ रहा है सबको. So moving forward, next initial condition what they have given. So have you completed up to this? I am taking the new slide. Okay. So moving forward, as we are having, since what I am having x dot of 0, x dot of 0 I am having, what is this? Minus 4, minus 4, minus 1. When so condition is given, क्वेश्चन में कंडीशन दिया था, when x of 0 is, when x of 0 is, कंडीशन दिया है 1 minus 2, 1 minus 2. So ये कंडीशन दी थी. When x of 0 is 1 minus 2, I have calculated x dot of 0. Yes. So now comparing with that equation. So now therefore, so I am having actually x dot of 0. So x dot of 0, x dot of 0 is equal to a into x of 0. Since x dot of 0 equals to a into x of 0, a into x dot of 0, as I am मेरे को क्या पता है, x dot of 0 equals to ax of 0. So I have to calculate it. X dot of 0. Previously I have calculated x dot of 0 value. What it is? The matrix minus 4 and then 1. So I am having x dot of 0. Now placing the values here. Placing the values. तो यहाँ सारे वैल्यूज प्लेस कर देना है. x डॉट ऑफ 0 क्या है मेरा? -4 -1. ओके. ए क्या है मेरा? ए वाला मैट्रिक्स. ए मैट्रिक्स पता है तुमको क्या है? वी हैव assumed it as A1, A2, A3 and then A4 into x dot of 0. So x dot of 0 क्या दिया है यहाँ पे इनिशियल कंडीशन? 1 - 2. 1 - 2. तो इसके ऊपर से मैं इक्वेशन बना सकता हूँ. ओके. तो इक्वेशन कैसे बनेंगे देखो, अभी समझ में आ रहा है क्या सबको? इक्वेशन कैसे बनाने हैं? A1 - 2 A2 इक्वल्स टू -4. ये एक इक्वेशन हो गया मेरा. इसको दिया मैंने इक्वेशन नंबर 1. दूसरा इक्वेशन क्या बनेगा मेरा? यस, A3 minus twice A4 equals to -1. This is your equation number 2. ओके. सिमिलरली ये फर्स्ट कंडीशन हो गई अपनी सेटिस्फाई. ऐसे ही मेरे को इक्वेशन नंबर 3 एंड 4 बनाने पड़ेंगे. तो उसके लिए नेक्स्ट कंडीशन क्या दी है मेरे को ये क्वेश्चन में? सिमिलरली फॉर एक्स ऑफ टी इन्होंने कंडीशन दी है. एक्स ऑफ टी के लिए क्या दिया है? e⁻t एक्स ऑफ टी इक्वल्स टू, कंडीशन क्या है? e⁻t माइनस e⁻t. और एक कंडीशन क्या दी है? व्हेन x डॉट ऑफ t इक्वल्स टू, इसका डेरिवेशन लेना पड़ेगा मेरे को. x डॉट ऑफ t मेरे पास है, सो हाउ आई कैन कैलकुलेट x डॉट ऑफ t टेकिंग डेरिवेशन ऑफ दैट. सो e⁻t का डेरिवेशन क्या है? -t e⁻t माइनस e⁻t. -e⁻t. ओके. एंड -e⁻t का डेरिवेशन क्या आएगा? माइनस माइनस वो हो जाएगा प्लस e⁻t यहाँ पे आएगा तुम्हारा प्लस आएगा, e⁻t आएगा सिर्फ. ओके. नेक्स्ट कंडीशन क्या दी है मेरे को? यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन में कंडीशन दी है x ऑफ 0 इनिशियल कंडीशन and I can calculate now x dot of 0. From x dot of t, I can calculate x dot of 0. So where there is t, replace it with 0. So x dot of 0, what would it be coming? ये जहाँ पे भी t है वहाँ पे 1 वैल्यू पुट करो. यहाँ पे आएगा -1 और यहाँ आएगा तुम्हारा 1. when x of 0, क्वेश्चन में दिया है x of 0 कितना था? x of 0 दिया था तुमको 1 - 1. ओके. ये कंडीशन दी थी. यस, प्लीज रिप्लाई. यहाँ तक समझा क्या सबको? आई एम टेकिंग द न्यू स्लाइड्स. यहाँ तक समझा? Okay. Yes. Now, similarly, what we have done in previously, that x dot of 0 equals to ax of t. Now also I will be doing like that only. So x dot of 0, your value x dot of 0. Therefore, you have x dot of 0 minus 1, 1. X dot of 0 equals to a into x of t. So A matrix, you know very well what is my A matrix. A1, A2, A3, A4 into x dot of 0. So what is that? 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1. Yes. Now similarly I have to make the equations giving the number as 3 and 4. And from equation 1, 2, 3 and 4, I can rewrite or draw the state transition matrix. Okay. So making the equations, yes, A1 minus A2 equals to minus 1. This is your equation number 3. What is my equation 4? A3 minus A4 equals to 1. This is my equation number 4. So now solving this equation 1, 2, 3 and 4, solving equation 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now solving this equation 1, 2, 3 and 4, we get that. So solving equation 1, 2, 3 and 4. So yes, you have to solve this equation 1, 2, 3 and 4. Yes. Now solving this equation, you have to do addition, subtraction from equation 1, 2, 3 and 4 to calculate the values of A1, A2, A3 and A4. So the values of A1 would be 2, A2 would be 3, A3 would be 3, and then A4 would be 2, and A4 equals to 2. Yes, please tell me, have you understood? कहाँ से ये वैल्यूज है A1, A2, A3 और A4 के? हमारे पास 4 इक्वेशंस है, इक्वेशन 1, 2, 3 and 4. So by doing addition, subtraction of those equations, I will be getting the values of A1, A2, A3 and A4. Yes, have you understood up to here? Yes, please reply. यहाँ तक समझा क्या? A1, A2, A3, A4 के वैल्यूज कैसे है, सभी को समझ में आया? Yes. Okay. So now moving forward, can I write now capital A matrix? Capital A matrix is nothing but the calculation of A, A1, A2, A3 and then A4. Okay. Now I can write the matrix A. So capital A matrix would be 2, 3, 3, 2. Yes, this is my capital A matrix. Okay. So we have solved the half portion of this numerical. What they have asked in the question, that calculate the capital matrix A. Now moving forward to the next part, that is to calculate the state transition matrix. We will see shortly. Okay, in new slide. Yes, just stay connected.